Hi, it's Amanda Cox, Tech Girl PDX, and today I want to talk to you about your professional page on Facebook. Now, a lot of professionals think that they need to have a page in opposition to having a personal page already, and this isn't necessarily true. It's kind of a professional peer pressure. So I just want to give you a tip this morning about what makes a good candidate for a professional page, and then what makes you a poor candidate for a professional page. Now, first out, a good candidate will have a blog, something that they feed regularly, that they take care of, that they update. They will also have the discipline it takes to upload and monitor relevant and interesting content to that site. And they will have a clear partition between their business existence and their personal existence. Fourth, you want to be creative and be generous on your personal page. What are you going to offer your clients? What are you going to offer the people that are following you and the people that thumbs up like you? And also ask yourself this before you do a professional page. Do you have endurance? Because it's going to take you from 6 to 12 months to get up and strong. And that is even if you're doing everything right, it'll take you that long. Now, what makes you a poor candidate for a professional page? Let's talk about that for a moment. If you already have a hard time keeping up with your Facebook page, your personal one, then having a professional page would just be one more thing to keep up with, and it would not be advantageous because really it would just give you more anxiety. You're a bad candidate if you think that simply having a page is going to get you business. This is not true. And also, you would be a bad candidate if you're not a giver. And lastly, you don't want to have a professional page if you give up easily. So I hope that gives you a little bit of food for thought, a little bit of something to think about before you dive into the Facebook professional page waters. This is Amanda Cox, Tech Girl PDX.